Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we've had a program at Zaytuna for donors that are unable to give large donations, which is the 12,000 strong, based on the hadith that 12,000 on one heart will not be defeated for lack of numbers. So, Alhamdulillah, we're encouraging people to help us reach our goal of 12,000. We're halfway there. This would be a great help to the college, to the budget of the college, to supporting a Muslim academic institution in the West, alhamdulillah. So whatever you can do, even if it's $1 a day, alhamdulillah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you. It's a difficult time, and I know a lot of people are stretched, and I know that we have a very generous community, but this is a source of hope for a lot of people, not just here, but around the world. So helping build Zaytuna College is really helping give hope to a lot of people in terms of what Muslims can do and will do, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.